Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphones will start on February 8. The series will include 3 models. The base version of the Galaxy S22 will have a 6.06-inch display and a 3700 mAh battery. The equipment will include a triple camera with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel unit with wide-angle optics and a 10-megapixel telephoto module. A step higher will be the Galaxy S22 Plus, which will have a 6.55-inch screen and a 4500 mAh battery. The configuration of the camera will be the same as in the base case. The top of the lineup will be the Galaxy S22 Ultra with a 6.81-inch screen and a 5000 mAh battery. The quad camera will receive a configuration of 108 plus 12 plus 10 plus 10 million pixels. All new devices will carry on board the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 or Samsung Exynos 2200. The refresh rate of the display will be 120 Hz. The official presentation of the devices should take place in January or early February. John Prosser reports that the smartphones will be available for pre-order on February 8, with shipments starting on the 18th of the same month. However, we will for sure get new confirmation on this in the upcoming new weeks.